Hey y'all, how are you doing? Before I get into my chat-ins, how is everybody doing? How are y'all doing? How are y'all feeling? How was the week? I hope everybody had the week that they deserve. And I hope that everybody is doing well. And we made it. We made it to Friday, so that's a good thing. Thank God for that. God willing, we make it to Sunday. Y'all, this week was very trying with these damn kids. That royalty of mine, oh jeez, give me strength. But today tops the cake with this Capital One business. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you about to find out. I cannot believe what Capital One has going on. I can't believe it. Today is the 17th. Let me tell y'all what been going on. If anybody watching this has an account with Capital One, then you know exactly what I'm about to say. The audacity of Capital One. First of all, let me back up. Because they send some little bogus message, an email message to all Capital One users stating that there's some type of technical situation happening and that they're going to fix it. Basically, like by the morning, which would have been today, Friday. Now, this situation is affecting people getting paid. So nobody's direct deposits can go through. No transfers. Certain transactions are declining. And my husband always talks to me about the banks. Like, you really can't trust the banks. Because if you don't have cash somewhere laying around your house, you understand? So, so today we've been like making joke throughout the day, like, let me see if I got some quarters, some change, whatever. But in all reality, it is really a horrible thing. It's a horrible thing because there are people who literally live paycheck to paycheck and are depending on their paycheck to whether it's groceries, put food in their kids' mouths, pay babysitters, rent, bills, like all types of things. They landlords, and for Capital One to just, now this been going on since the 15th. It is now the 17th and people's money is still on hold. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. I had to come and say something about it. It makes no sense. It just doesn't make any sense. And it just kind of makes you sit and really think like, damn, what if all my money is in a bank, what if something was to happen where everything just shuts down? Then you know what happened? We assed out. Bare ass. That's what been going on. And it's just not cool. It's not cool. It's not cool. Today I did have some plans and some things that I wanted to go do as far as like self-care. And you kind of want to wait to make any movement and doing things because you want to make sure that you'll be able to have funds available. If I'm spending cash, you don't want to spend your cash and then you'll be like, damn, now I gotta wait to see what happens with the bank. Yeah, that's what's going on. And it's just, my mother, and it's so funny, my mother was calling me. She was calling us all day. She was like, yo, where is my money? I keep checking it. Where's my money? I'm like, I cannot. This lady, she's like, I want my money. I'm not mad. Where's the money? Capital One, where is the money? Capital One, where are the people, them money? Where's the money? So yeah, and then you go online, you go on social media, and you're seeing like all these different things about them being sued and all types of stuff. I don't know what's going on, but something is going on. Something is going on. And also, I went to Capital One's Instagram page, and the comments are just like crazy. Like, where's my money? People are on vacation and need access to their money. People are going places and need their money. People have to pay rent. People have to get groceries. People are in stores. Their card is declining. Like, that is insane. Because I can't even imagine being on vacation and I can't use my card. Like, or I'm at a restaurant somewhere and they're like, it's declining. Like, what the hell do you do? Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but something is going on. Something is going on. Yeah, y'all. So, but it is Friday. We made it through the week. Thank God for that. Thank God we made it to Friday. God willing, we make it to Sunday. Full week. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in with me. I just wanted to check in with y'all. Listen, be patient with me. Give me some grace. I have some content coming, like some solid, good content. I have some reviews to do. I have some stuff to do. I'm just trying to get prioritized and get order and get structure so that I can give y'all the goods the right way. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing, all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for all of it. I appreciate you guys. And until the next video, I'm trying to figure out how I want to drop some videos, some vlogs. If I want to do 3 times a week, if I should do it like that or just kind of go with the flow kind of. Y'all tell me what y'all think. But you guys are going to soon be receiving a lot of content from me and husband, my Jamaican husband. He's hilarious. If y'all want to get a little piece of the action of me and my husband, the video I posted when we went to the supermarket in Jamaica, you have to go back and watch right there and watch that video. My husband is hilarious. So until the next video, I love you guys. Stay pure. Oh yes, also be kind. It doesn't cost you nothing to be nice and to be kind. It's free. Be kind. All right, love you.